Now that we have the template installed, we're going to want to make some changes to it. Before we can do that, we need to activate the website. At the top of your domain name, enter the word admin. So you want to delete the pound sign and everything behind it. So it looks like that, and just type in the word admin and hit enter. Okay, now we have control panel set up. Let's go to the next step. We're going to select our language. I'll select English. We're going to create a username. Make this something you can remember. The password needs to be complicated, so I'm going to make this a little bit stronger. We don't want anybody else just guessing our passwords. Now the email address, that's where I want the password sent in case I forget it. And you want to make sure you get it right, so you probably want to take a moment and make sure the spelling is correct. Your website title. This would be your company name or a couple of keywords about your business. You don't want to fill this in because the other pages have space to fill in as here as well. So to be like your company name, and then another page that you create would be like about us, contact us, services. So this is how that works. I'm just going to put I, Scott Parker. And I also know to leave a little space because the rest of the words are going to continue from the other pages. It's going to check product activation for us now to make sure if we're activated or not. And it's also checking server settings and make sure you're matching the requirements. Here's our IP address, the domain name, and our product ID. Let's go ahead and activate this template. When you purchase the template, you were sent an email. We're going to need to get the login information. Welcome to Flash CMS. Here's my username. And I already have my password the same. Okay, now that we're logged in, we're ready to activate. Has our template number and our product ID, and it's showing there's currently an update, so we can do that in another video. We have 10 activations, which means we're going to activate it, so we're going to have 9 left. But let's say I want to change hosting or maybe sell your company and they move the website. Basically, that's just controlling who owns this software, the website itself. Your website will always work when they visit the website, but logging in and getting to the control panel is what the activation is controlling. So let's go ahead and activate it and assign it to us as the owner. It needs some information, and we got to get this in there because it's going to verify that the template's installed at this domain name and the IP address. So let's go back to the screen where we're at here. It provides it for us. Be sure and highlight and copy exactly. Don't get any extra spaces. And go back and get the domain name just as it is. I wouldn't even type it in, just exactly as it is here with the www. Activate. Now we have 9 activations left. Okay, now that it's been activated, we just need to go back to the admin screen and hit enter. Checking activation.